a guide you to check comments on YouTube. So, firstly, let's go to the YouTube. From there, you need to tap on your profile, which is the U option here. So, I'm tapping over that. After tapping on that, you need to go to the settings, which is the over top, that gear icon. So, let's tap over that. It will take you to the settings of the YouTube. From there, you need to scroll down to find manage all history. So, here it is. So, let's tap on manage all history. After tapping over there, it will take you to the page where you could see your YouTube history from here. And if you scroll down, you could find your search history and watch history here. Let's say if you need to delete anything, all you need to do is that you need to tap on the little X mark here. Now, if you need to check your comments on YouTube, you need to go to the interactions, which is below your profile name. So let's tap on interactions here. And from there, you need to go to the video interactions. In that, you could find comments and replies. You need to tap on that for viewing or checking your comments. So here is the place where you could check comments on the YouTube, and you could check all the comments that you have commented on the YouTube. And if you need to delete that, you need to tap on the little X mark here, and that could be deleted. This is how you check comments on YouTube. Thank you.